Spy Ninjas! All the Spy Ninjas are finally back together and we are safe at the safe house!
Yeah. Who knew that Project Zorgo has so many hackers spread all over the world? They have hackers in the Philippines, in California, in New Jersey, New York, everywhere.
Well, I'm really glad we're all safe, but I need to go back to California.
California? You just got captured. We just got back from rescuing you. If we go back over there and then the hackers come again, they're gonna...
There's actually something I haven't told you guys yet. Big, juicy news.
Oh, did you finally get me that birthday present you've been saying that you're gonna bring to me?
Did you finally learn how to battle royale?
No, I bet you bought me a pet sloth. Ooh. It's not bowling legend Roy Buckley or whatever, okay? Nothing to do with it.
How do you know I was thinking that?
No, unfortunately, it wasn't any of those things. But better, I saw my mom.
Why isn't she here right now?
Yeah, where is
Making
she?
us cookies.
I found her house, and I was gonna say hi, but then hackers just took me. They might have taken her too. So that's why we have to go back to California.
It's too dangerous. We gotta come up with a better plan.
All the Spy Ninjas are together now, 5 of us. We can beat anybody.
Are you sure that it was really your mother?
I'm positive, Chad. Everyone knows their mama when they see them.
You're right. A daughter knows her mother. We need to go save your mother. Let's go to the Melvin Mobile.
Oh, yeah! All right,
Here we
let's
go.
Let's do it. Oh, man, I'm really hungry. I could go for some Jell-O right now.
Ooh, snacks. I would like some hot Cheetos right now.
Oh, I would like a nice long yellow banana. Right now.
I want some fish skin.
Ew. Guys, there's no time to stop anywhere right now. We gotta find Regina's mother.
You're right, let's just keep going.
Fine.
Guys, I'm kind of bored. Do you guys bring any squishies? It's pretty fun to play with, you know?
No squishies back here.
Oh, guys, a phone call. Unknown number.
Oh.
Hello?
Hello, V Quaint. A small enemy has a big secret that can't be kept for long. The safe house is not.
It's not.
Small
Not
enemy
help-
can't
small-
be kept for long.
The safe house is not.
So if the safe house is not, that means it's not safe. What would make it not safe?
If any hackers found out where it is, then that makes it not safe, right?
It said a small enemy. So who's a small hacker?
PZ2.
You're right.
No hackers know where the safe house is, right?
Wait a second. There is someone who's small. He did come to our house on Halloween.
PZ
Squire. Yeah.
That little shrimp.
He knows where we live.
Well, we were in disguises, remember?
But-
so maybe he doesn't know.
I hope you're right, but we can't take that risk. Melvin, pull over. I gotta get out. I'm gonna run back to the safe house. Someone has gotta protect the safe house just in case PZ Squire told Project Zorgo where we live.
You're gonna run all the way back?
Yeah, we're only a few miles, right? I can run back.
Wait, Chad, no, you can't leave us. We need you for this mission. And also, Mr. E, he could be full of crap. I think his main goal is to split up the Spy Ninjas, and he's doing it again right now.
But I don't want you to leave, though.
Aw, thanks. That's so sweet of you.
But you're gonna do it anyway.
But I'm gonna do it anyway. Wish me luck, guys. Hopefully there's no one at the safe house already by the time I get there. Good luck on your mission.
Good luck.
You can do it.
Good luck.
Oh, my feet are too big. I can't get out. Okay.
Aw, miss you.
Okay, guys, we got a long drive. I have a really fun game we can play to pass the time. What if we all go around and we name different hackers? If you can't name a hacker within 5 seconds and you're stumped, you lose. All right, I'll go first. PZ Food.
I got one. PZ314.
I'm from Ashwaubenon. PZ715.
PZ1. Hey!
Good one.
I don't do that.
I got an idea. Let's do a battle royale.
PZ9.
PZ88. Rap-adapter.
Billy Bob. Okay.
What's up, dude? What's up, Vi? PZ420.
Guys, I'm trying to figure out where my mom is. Oh no, my mom. Regina.
That is a sensitive subject.
Don't worry, we're on our way to find them.
I am worried about my mom. You obviously don't care about mom.
PZ37.
Who's that?
Your turn, Regina.
Who is that?
PZ37.
You don't know who that is.
Okay, I just said a random number. I lost. I'm out.
Ew.
Pardon me.
Oh, God, do you guys smell that?
Dude, yeah. Someone just laid one.
Ew.
What? What does it smell like? Smells like a bunch of worms. What? You think it was me? No, it isn't. It was definitely Regina.
No, it wasn't. Whoever smelt it, dealt it.
Well, whoever denied it supplied it.
Well, whoever is driving farted.
I've been going for about an hour now, guys. I guess I was a lot farther from the safe house than I thought, but I I gotta get there to protect it. Because I don't know who this Mr. E character is. I don't know what he's up to. I feel like he's a good guy, but you never know. Especially if like PZ Squire told somebody about the safe house location. He did go trick-or-treating there after all. I don't think he knew it was our house, but you never know. You guys remember that when he was that little Hulk and he got really mad because we only had full-size candy bars instead of king-size? What a brat, huh? Spy Ninjas, did you hear that? I thought I heard a scream. I think it was coming from over here. Someone might need my help. Let's go. Whoa, it's over here. Spy Ninjas, look. Hello? Hey!
We meet again. I see only one spy ninja this time. Your 4 other musketeers have disappeared.
4 musketeers. I think it's called 3 musketeers. But yeah, I do have 4 other spy ninjas on my team. I can still take you one-on-one, no problem.
Well, you're in luck. I have a special gift for you, Chad.
I love gifts. Ah, no! Ah!
I'm losing power in the gas pedal. The tank is still pretty good.
Are you sure you filled up the gas tank?
Yeah, but my car's getting old. Oh man, I'm gonna have to pull over real quick. Great.
Just what we need.
Can you hurry up, please? We have to see Mom.
Well, I just gotta take a look under the hood.
What's going on here?
I really don't know. I just gotta repair it, I guess. Or I'll just be a few.
Okay.
Oh man. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going inside.
Let me go! You'll never get away with this, hacker!
You think your friends will come save you? I don't think so. Give me that camera.
I'm still blind from the blind box! Oh, I can't see it! Why is it so black in here? It's like, oh, it's just my hat the whole time. This is like the basement of the Black Pyramid! Is that where I am right now?
This is an undisclosed location that you will never find in California.
It sure looks like the Black Pyramid to me!
Well, we have the same decorator as the Project Zorgo headquarters, so that would make sense.
What do you want? Just let me go!
You are here for bait. Soon the other spy ninjas will find you and come try to rescue you, only to walk right into our trap.
Wait, you're gonna trap Daniel, V, and Regina?
And Melvin too. Scream as loud as you want, no one will hear you.
I'm not gonna scream because I don't want them to come save me because you're just gonna trap them.
Well, you're catching on.
Yeah, I'm a smart spy ninja. I know what you guys are up to.
Okay, guys, it's like an hour.
I know. He doesn't know what he's doing.
It doesn't take an hour to fix a car.
We're never gonna make it to California.
Let's face it, this is our life now. We're gonna be homeless living in this car.
We're in the middle of the desert, too. We can't even stop and, like, eat something.
Yeah, halfway from Vegas to California is nothing.
There's always Eddie World.
It's the best gas station in the whole world. Come on, Melvin, hurry up!
Shut up.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, I just have to do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and it's
Only
good.
took 5 hours.
You did like 30,000 thises and 40,000 that's.
Are we there yet?
Yeah, are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Melvin, you're the one driving. You would know if we're there yet.
I guess we're not.
And Regina, you're the one who knows where we're going. You would know if we're there yet. We're surrounded by buffoons, V.
I know.
All right, Melvin, I think just right around the corner over here, that's where her house is.
All right.
Straight up ahead a little bit. Huh? This can't be right.
What's wrong?
Wait, there's no house here. What?
Okay, well, we made a wrong turn or
No,
something.
I didn't think this was it. This was it.
It was right here?
Yeah. Get out of here, Daniel.
Okay.
No, this isn't right. My mom's house. It was right here. The window is like right over here. And I looked inside the window and I saw a picture. And it was of me and my mom and my brother. It was all over here. You, Melvin. My mom was on the balcony. Where is it?
Okay.
There's nothing here, guys. Regina, I don't know if your memory's right. Did they use some of that fog on you again? Because this is an empty lot.
I swear, I wrote down my mom's address. This is the spot.
I think it was just a dream you had.
It wasn't a dream. I have it on film.
I didn't see that video yet. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it yet either.
Did the spy ninja see it yet?
This was my mom's house, and I'm gonna prove it to you guys.
Oh,
See?
look at this.
This is part of the house or something. Flamin' Hot Funyuns. This must be my mom's favorite snack.
I like her. She likes spicy food like me. Ew, look, come here. Ah, there's a toothbrush right here.
I found a toothbrush that led to my parents. It had like their address on it. I think my parents could be like dentists or something. This must be theirs.
It smells nice still. Very minty.
Oh.
For real.
Wait a second, guys. I just saw some eyebrows and gnarly. It's burnt remnants of a Project Zorgo mask.
The hackers were here.
Too bad the identification part was burnt off. There's no way to tell whose it belongs to.
All right, well, this is some pretty big evidence. We gotta keep looking.
I think I found a clue.
Really?
It's a burnt piece of paper.
Oh my gosh, there's something on the other side. Look at
Whoa!
this.
What is that?
But I've seen this picture before. That's me. And then that's my mom in the middle. I saw this picture in her house.
Wait,
This is it.
this is you? Is that Melvin? I mean, that looks like you. You have a stuffed animal and picking your nose. You do that all the time.
I don't pick my nose all the time.
This picture really does prove that this is your parents' house.
Yes.
Or this was your parents' house, sadly.
Gosh, I hate Project Zorgo. Why are they doing this to us? Not only ruining our lives, but our families' lives. Ah!
All right, calm down, Regina. Maybe there's more clues that reveals where they went. Melvin, are you okay?
Melvin?
What's the point of following Mr. E's clues?
Imagine how cool it'd be to be reunited with Mom.
I'm over it. I'll stop being so dramatic.
Yeah, hold it together, okay? There's a clue. Whoa! Look,
It's a note.
it's all burnt. Something definitely happened here.
Let me read it out loud. My dearest daughter.
That's a female.
Your father and I have been dreaming of the day you return home to us. So they know I'm missing. They know I'm alive. We miss you so much. We are needed elsewhere to make the world a safer place. Do they know I'm a spy ninja?
They must.
They know that you do a lot of good for the world.
I hope they're proud of me that, I didn't become a doctor, but hey,
Confirm Asian parents.
a few days ago, we were happy to meet Bernie.
Who?
Who's Bernie? Who said he is an old friend of yours, and we shared stories about your childhood with him. An old friend of mine!
You have a childhood friend named Bernie?
It was a bit odd that he wouldn't show us his face, but he said he recently suffered some burns in a fire, so we understood.
Wait a darn second.
Burn
Face?
Oh.
PZ6 name is Bernie?
What?
That explains what this is.
Yeah! PZ6, Burn Face, Bernie destroyed your LA apartment and destroyed Regina's old house?
What? I can't believe the hackers burned down my parents' house.
Wait, what else does it say?
If only your brother were still here to support us, our day would be brighter. Brother, is that you?
It seems that way.
We'll look for you in Las Vegas, and I hope this letter makes it to you on time. They're in Las Vegas?
So right when we leave Las Vegas, they come to Las Vegas. Dang it, we missed them.
All right, let's go back.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Oh,
What is this? We haven't seen this in a long time, you guys. Do you remember this?
yeah, back in the day, Project Zorgo always used to leave us clues, and there'd be little triangles next to all of them.
Maybe Burnface is just old-fashioned, and he's just resorting back to his old techniques.
Why would they leave this here? It's almost like they're saying, mission complete. We successfully burned down Regina's family's house.
First, finding a toothbrush again, and then...
This triangle.
It's finally gone. I gotta find my phone. Where'd you put my phone? There it is. Yes! Ah! I gotta get it. Yes! Ah! It's here. We call it Be Quaint.
Okay, finally, it's my turn.
Oh, I gotta call.
What?
It's
More
Chad.
important.
Who is it?
Chad.
B, I got captured by a hacker. He threw a flashbox on me
What? Are you okay? Where are you right now?
in some sort of Project Zorgo basement, but it's in California. That's all I know. It looks very similar to the Black Pyramid's basement.
Okay, do you have any clues? Like, some coordinates or anything?
It must be near where you guys dropped me off. I ran into the hacker. Saw that it was near a road. There's a tree. I know it's not very helpful.
All right, I'll investigate some more.
Okay, yeah, do your best to find me. I don't know if you can track my phone's location or something. I don't know if there's any signal down here. Oh, he's coming. I put my phone away.
Do you think that's the same hacker that burned down the house that took Chad?
Maybe?
Well, if Chad is taken by a hacker, that means the safe house is unguarded.
That's right.
Oh my gosh, what do we do? My mom's taken away, my Chad is taken, the safe house is just like out there
There
in
could
the
be
open.
tons of hackers by the time we get
The
back.
safe house could be burned down.
I got a plan. I just keep on driving till we get to Mexico.
No, we gotta get Chad first. And Regina's family and my dog.
I don't have my passport yet.
You know what? I'm telling you, this Mr. E guy who keeps calling us, he's bad. Because every time Mr. E leads us somewhere, there's hackers and we get captured. We gotta figure out who this mysterious guy is.
Melvin, why don't you drive where we dropped off Chad, and then we can look around, see if there's anything suspicious, and then we can figure out where Chad went from there.
I gotta get out of here. What? Hello? Hello? Who are you? Are you a hacker? What's going on? Wait, you want the camera? You're taking the camera? Wait, what are you doing? Who are you? You're untying me? Oh, thanks, man. Yes. Dude, who are you? What's your name? I owe you big time, man. Thank you so much. I'm tied to this chair. Thank you. Who are you? Here, I'll take the camera. Come with me. Hey, dude, are you coming? Wait, where are you? This leads outside. Come with me. Where are you? I gotta go. Let's go, Spy Ninjas. I don't know who that was. That was weird. This place isn't safe. There's hackers here. We gotta get out of here. Let's go.
Hey, V, up ahead.
Oh my gosh!
this?
It's Chad!
What is he
Chad!
doing?
Oh my
Chad!
God! Look what I got!
What are you
Check it out! I know you guys wanted some fish skins. Here you go.
That was for me.
What's wrong with you?
Dad.
Me, you wanted a squishy. Oh shoot!
Oh my gosh!
I dropped Daniel's banana.
Oh, that's
Here we go,
okay.
Daniel.
Oh, thanks, Chad. I love it.
Melvin almost ran it over, and I got Melvin his Jello. You wanted some Jello, right, Melvin?
Yeah!
You're hungry? Okay, there you go.
No swoon.
All right, see you later.
Oh,
That's
man.
it.
What?
Chad, I thought he was just missing.
What happened?
I thought you were coming in.
That's locked. Let me in. There's hackers coming. Okay. I needed the exercise anyway. That was really fun.
Well, thanks for the snacks.
Yeah, no problem.
You can share my banana if you want.
Oh, that's okay. You just keep your banana to yourself, Daniel. Spy Ninjas, you won't believe what happened. Some mystery person, I don't know who it was, came and freed me.
You don't know who it was? You didn't see his face?
I didn't see his face.
What?
You weren't looking or what?
They were of average height, of average build. Couldn't really tell if it was a boy or a girl. And now I'm out of breath because I had to run so far.
Thank goodness for this mystery person.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna have to bust an additional mission to save you.
Whoever this guy was saved me, and I got free.
Well, good thing he was there.
And I got some fish skins.
Would you like some?
No thanks.
I know these are your favorite.
No, they're not.
Yeah, Chad, eat one.
And since you guys are so hungry, I stopped by to get you guys all some snacks. I remember earlier in the conversation.
That's so sweet of you. You got them the snacks, the Jello. I thought I said I wanted some hot Cheetos.
I thought you said hot Chad toes.
Ew.
I painted my toenails for you. I thought that's what you wanted.
That's disgusting, Chad. Ugh.
Oh, Chad, I found a note from my mom.
Really?
Yeah, right here.
Whoa, oh my gosh, she writes really a lot.
But I can't wait to meet her, Chad. Once we are together, she's gonna take me shopping and
Really?
buy me new clothes.
Wow.
Or not CWC. Huh?
What?
No, she's gonna teach me all the new moves that she never had to teach me when I was little.
She's a karate expert? She knows martial arts?
Probably.
No, she's not gonna do that. She's gonna make me some chicken nuggets.
No, well, she's gonna teach me how to be on a balanced keto diet.
She doesn't do keto diet.
How do you know that?
Well, she's gonna be the lead singer of my band.
Your band, it's our band.
But yeah, I'm the singer.
What about Daniel? His voice is amazing.
Well, I'm
Thanks,
gonna
Chad.
teach her how to hack, and we're gonna bond over that.
Well, I'm gonna teach her that I'm the best son.
I'm gonna teach her that I'm the best child.
I'm gonna punch you, Regina.
Come on, you guys
Punch
quit
me.
arguing.
Guys, stop.
You need to cool it, Regina.
Cool it. You guys need to stop fighting.
Ugh, I didn't get any fish skins.
I got you the Jello. Get me out of here. Regina's breath stinks like fish.
Melvin, you're so annoying.
I can't believe you let us on this wild gray duck chase for nothing.
Well, I was right, but they just burned down Mom's house.
Yeah?
Leave me alone. Melvin. Ah!
You don't slam the door at me.
I can do whatever I want. This is my secret room, not yours. So you should be thankful because you're a guest here.
Well, you should probably turn on the lighting. It's too dark.
It is. Fine, turn the lights on. Now I have to see your ugly face.
Well, you better enjoy it, because I'm going to be around you for a long time, Regina.
Quit laughing at me. You want to go, Melvin?
Yeah, sibling royale, come on.
Melvin, are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry, Melvin. Are you okay?
What is this thing?
What?